Hello, everyone. Excited to be here. So, this is Alex from Italy and the co-founder of SkillWallet, a role-based NFT identity system that unlocks the true potential of Web3 communities. Now, Web3 communities are DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations, that brought in a brand new Web3 native form of interaction between individuals, where not only they can communicate with each other, but they can coordinate, they can work together in a fully decentralized and permissionless way. The issue with that is that it's still very disorganized and it's very confusing for members to even understand what to do after they join the new community. They need to go through hundreds of messages just to find their place in the community itself or find tasks that they can work, contribute, and add value to. For the DAOs themselves, despite their coordination engines, they are still lagging behind with obsolete tools and something like Discord servers or forums for members to coordinate tasks, as well as allocating voting power as well as reputation based on governance tokens that can be easily purchased in the open market. This exposes members of a community to a brand new class of governance problems. Things like civil attacks, where a passive member can easily create hundreds of accounts to manipulate the way funds and rewards are allocated to community members, or collusion, where members with a higher financial or social power can literally buy voting powers to manipulate and influence the outcome of a public proposal. Now, in order to function, decentralized governance needs to upgrade, needs to replace legacy tools and make communities self-sustainable under a financial standpoint, as well as safer for the members themselves, in a way that reflects actual social dynamics as they are in the real world. This is the design thinking behind the SkillWallet. Is an NFT ID that ties together the individual identity with the DAOs that individuals are going to join. This way, every DAO will have native roles within itself and will unlock a role-based native governance. The first thing that members do whenever they join a DAO is to choose their role. So either they want to contribute in a place or the other, as well as their commitment. Their commitment is limited as much as is their time in real life. And it will be limited the amount of communities that they can join. This way, they will have an actual portable reputation all across the communities that they can join, as well as in the Web3 as a whole. In fact, the main idea is that we have roles in every aspect of our daily society, from the working place to sport teams, or even in gaming and at the university. So we should have roles and clear tasks in Web3 communities and in the Metaverse as well. For communities, by integrating the SkillWallet, they can unlock the nature of the blockchain itself. In fact, if it's transparent and all the events are public, with the SkillWallet, these events, these 0x events are actually associated to real names and real roles, so that they can track peer to smart contract interactions and see the true value that each individual member has and reward them accordingly. So for the demo, it takes only 2 steps to integrate the SkillWallet as an authentication system. Here you can access just partners.skillwallet.id, accessing the partners agreement, and then straight away start to integrate by selecting the market that you want to join, either open source and DeFi, NFT, or DAOs directly. Customize your community, name, avatar, logo, and the description that makes it recognizable for your members. And most of all, most importantly, selecting the roles. Now, roles are fully customizable and will be the same ones that your community members will be able to join. Now, at this point, you import the contracts that you would like us to track, and you will receive your partner's key. Now, this key will be useful in this second step, where you can easily download the SkillWallet web component library Replace one line of code with the key that you've been assigned. And at this point, you already have a fully functional Web3 community and an a role-based authentication system installed. So for the second demo, from a user perspective, I can show you how from our testing environment at demo.skillwallet.id, I can easily join the same community that we just created. I create my new account, I join with my browser wallet, and then I introduce myself, as easy as a nickname and avatar in the Web2 space. Then I pick my role. In this case, I am quite a dedicated founder, so I will take founder and 10 out of 10 for my commitment level. And that's it. At this point, I can join the community, confirm the transaction, and I can claim my SkillWallet ID just scanning the QR code with my SkillWallet mobile app. And here I am. Now, I can even use it straight away on a distributed town where we already integrated the SkillWallet. So you can see that is already cross-platform by default. If you also want to see it on the blockchain, just from Polygon scan on the Mumbai testnet, my NFT is already there. And as you can see, it's from 3 minutes ago. So getting back to us, this is our team. Milan and I have been working together for more than a year, focusing on decentralized infrastructure with governance and identities, as well as designing new financial primitives, both in quadratic funding and profit sharing. Personally, I'm the director of MRA Crypto Consulting, one of the leading governance and token engineering think tank in Web3. And Milena not only has been involved for many years, both in public and private blockchains, but she's a recognized expert in technologies like Chainlink and Covalent that are the backbone of Web3 as we know it today. Together with us, we have Evgeny and Mike. And together we've been, they help us to be a very successful team, both in the hacking space, where we have a quite high success rate, as well as in the open source space, where we contributed to tens of open source projects. We've been building our product to be a truly composable and complementary piece of the Web3 infrastructure. And we relied on partners that are leading in the industry, such as Covalent, Polygon, Textile, Chainlink. Also, we've been building as a true collective. So since day one, we've been engaged in uncountable conversations with some of the largest communities in Web3, from Gitcoin to NFT Hub, as well as pieces of infrastructure like Covalent or Ballast. And the insights that we found out are that native governance is what truly makes a community decentralized. And this is empowered by on-chain analytics that are the foundations of it, as they allow communities to really track and measure their business metrics, as well as really recognizing and measuring the value that each individual members provide. Now, once these two instruments are in place, then and only then we can have profit sharing, where communities give back to their members, sharing the profit that they accumulated together. And this is reflected in our business model as well, being as a profit sharing marketplace as well, where we do not charge our partners for any of our services, but we have a 2% performance fee. We've been focusing the most on the curation markets, metaverses, and DAOs, as they are some of the fastest growing trends in the Web3 space, as well as being aligned with our vision. Now, we are just launching our pilot program on Polygon testnet or Mumbai with the first three integrating partners, as well as preparing for a campaign called the Polygon Pioneers that will declare our launch on the Polygon mainnet and allow the community to claim the very first 100 NFT IDs ever in existence. So, summarizing, we're just moving the first steps. And whether you are a DAO or you really believe in DAOs, or you know a DAO that can really benefit from the SkillWallet, please reach out to us. We're building a more open space, and we will be happy to build and make and unlock the true potential of Web3 together. Thank you.